Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. This will be another video checking out this amazing software called Creatify. For those of you that don't know, Creatify is a software aimed at creating product videos using avatars that the software has in its library or using images that you have of your product. If you haven't checked out the previous videos, I really invite you to do so you can get up to speed with what the software is and the projects that we've been working on. We have created some videos using a single image. We created videos using a product URL. In this video, we're going to be creating our own avatar, our own digital twin, let's say, for us to use in the product videos. This is one of the paid features. If you want to use the paid versions, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use. So I'm going to make my face disappear so you can see my screen and I can show you this amazing tool. See you guys in the end. So this is the homepage. As always, we have the AI video ads where we input an URL and the software creates a video. This was a tool that we used in a previous video. This is another one that we have already used, the product video, where we upload an image and the software creates a video using that image. And today, as I was telling you just some seconds ago, we're gonna be creating our own avatar, like our digital twin, so we can use in the videos for the products. So if we click right here on create our own avatar, we can design our own if we write descriptions into a customized avatar, or we can create our own avatar with a video of ourselves. This is the tool that we're gonna be using, the bring your own avatar. So right here we have some instructions on how the video should be filmed. It should last between 2 or 5 minutes. We should be positioned at the center of the camera. We should move our hands so we can add realism to the video. We must film in the highest resolution possible, higher than 720p, and in 16:9 aspect ratio. We should not stitch or edit our footage in any way possible. Ensure that our hands don't cover our face, and we should avoid making some exaggerated facial expressions. I'm gonna upload the video that I filmed previously. This is the video that I uploaded previously. I was just talking a bit to see if the software can match my voice as well. We can click on continue. You must grant Creatify permission to use your footage, but solely for your own use. Then you can upload the video and it's gonna take a couple of minutes to process it. The software is gonna take a couple of minutes reviewing the video, so there is nothing wrong with it and for it to understand if it is usable or not. So after reviewing, this is the avatar that the software created with my face and my mouth movement.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify.ai. This is my voice and how I sound. Allow me to deliver your message using my unique tone to your audience.
So if we click this option right here, we could generate a video using this avatar. We can try a sample script just so we can check out what the software does with the lip sync. If we use this sample right here that says, "Hey pet parents, pamper your furry friends with our top-notch pet supplies. From healthy food to fun toys, we got everything for our pets, need to stay happy and healthy." We could use this script. We could change the voice. We have our own voice, the ones that was created with my voice.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify.ai.
Is that one, or we could change from the library of voices if we want to use any of those as well. Let's click on next. Now let's click on render and see what the software creates with my face as a new digital avatar. So let's see what the software created with my face and my voice.
Hey pet parents, pamper your furry friends with our top-notch pet supplies. From healthy food to fun toys, we've got everything your pets need to stay happy and healthy. Check it out today and give your pet the love they deserve.
All in all, the lip sync is very well adjusted. It matched my voice very well as well. As you see, I did some face movement in the original video and the software does its best to match up with the movement. If we go once again to product video, we could use an avatar showcase of a product. We could use once again the iPhone image with avatar showcase, model showing the phone. We can choose the avatar right here. We can choose myself. We can generate the preview image. So this is the image that the software created. We can click on generate video and see what the software does. So this is the video that the software created. It animated my face with the product that we were using. Once again, this is the product that it created. As you see, this tool is really useful if you want to promote your products, but you don't want to be talking in every single video of your product. You can solve the UGC problem. You don't need to hire another creator to do your product videos. You can just upload a digital twin of yourself and then use it in the software for you to create your ad videos. That's pretty much it, how you use this amazing software that can create a digital twin of yourself. It is really useful if you don't feel that comfortable before a camera. You don't feel that comfortable talking in front of a camera or just acting out. You just need to upload a short video and then the software creates a twin of yourself so you can use it in different scenarios regarding your product. Once again, this is one of the paid plans. You can use this tool if you have one of the paid plans. If you want to use one of these, you have some affiliate links on the description down below for you to use. As always, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. I hope that it was helpful. I want to read all of your comments down below to see if you've used this software before or if you're gonna be using it for your products. I invite you to check out all of the other videos that we have uploaded about Creatify and all of the different softwares in this channel, and to subscribe to it so you don't miss out any of the videos. Thank you very much for being here, and without further ado, see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.